Thank you so much for joining me here at Dollhaus Diaries. In today's video, we're going to be continuing opening up the Mini Brands and MiniVerse items as well as the Barbie style. So in the previous video that I'm going to have on the info bar here as well as in the description down below, I did manage to open up some mini brand items as well as MiniVerse. And this one I'm just going to continue opening up the items that I have. As you can see here, I have some Mini Brands fashions, a MiniVerse Make It Mini Spaces, as well as a Barbie My Style. So I'm just going to be opening these up and sharing with you guys what it is that we have. So the first one I'm going to be opening is this My Style. As you can see, it is two outfits in one with a plastic necklace that is gray in color, as well as a pair of boots, which I think look absolutely amazing. I love those boots. So I'm going to open these up and I'm going to have my girls try them on. First, we're going to have Annalise here. She is one of my yoga Barbies. She is going to be trying on one of the outfits, and then we'll have another Barbie try on the different outfit. So here is Annalise with the dress on. I think she looks really good in it. I did put the boots on her just to kind of have an idea of what it would look like. They don't truly fit her as they should. Her feet are a little too flat for these, so I would not recommend them for a flat foot Barbie. It's more like a Barbie that has an arched heel. But other than that, I think the dress looks amazing. She's still paired with the watch that she originally came with, and I also have her wearing the little necklace. And as you can see, she also has a pair of sunglasses on. They really don't go with the outfit, but she was already wearing it, so I thought I'd leave it on just to kind of give it an idea of what it looks like with these sunglasses on. I think the dress fits her amazing. I think she looks really pretty. I love the outfit on her. I decided to put the sneakers she was originally wearing with this outfit just to see if it would look good together. I think it blends in pretty well. It's a little lighter than I wanted it to be, but still looks really good with the outfit. And here we have another Barbie without any shoes on. I just didn't have any shoes for her to wear with this outfit. And she is going to be switching out to the other outfit that we purchased in the set. And here is the second outfit. This is another purple outfit that came in a set. The skirt has a small slit in it, an elastic waist, one long sleeve, and a cold shoulder or off shoulder top. I paired her with the same shoes that came in the set, and it fit her perfectly well. And yeah, so I think she looks amazing in this outfit. I really love the way it looks on her. And yeah, she's ready for a night out. Now we're going to be opening up the Mini Brands Series 4 Fashion Pack. I'm super excited to see what's inside here. Here is the collector's guide. That's adorable. The little teddy bear. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. A scarf. Oh, and I love these. I have the pink one from the Series 3, I believe. So I'm super happy to have this set. So pretty. I think I have this one already. I think I do. But I still think it's very pretty. I don't mind having duplicates because I only have one of each item, or not one of each item, but one purse, and I have multiple Barbies. So it's good to have extras. So pretty. And you open it up on the inside, and it's got the little stuffing to keep the purse from falling in on itself. I think it's really cute, and it kind of goes with maybe her outfit back here. So I'm going to let her hold it. There you go. Now we're going to be opening up this Mini Brands Series 4 Fashion Pack as well. And we're just going to jump right in and open these two. So let's start with this one. Oh wow, I don't have this one. This is cool. It's a heart-shaped purse. and it looks like it slightly opens a bit. And it comes with the little straps that are gold details. That's so pretty. So pretty. And then the accessories are oh, wow. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh, what is this? I'll put that down for a second. These are absolutely gorgeous. So pretty. Wow. Wow, these are some gorgeous heels. Like, they have the strap around the ankles. They have the flower detail and the silver chrome looking. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. Wow. I can't even describe how much I really like that. I also have this little jewelry or makeup, I should say. So it's got the little mirror detail on the inside there, and then it has the makeup blushes or mascara. This is absolutely adorable. It would look really cute on her vanity. And I believe this is supposed to be nail polish, which is, I think, perfect 1/6 scale size for my dolls. I love this. This is so cute. On to the next item that we're going to be opening up. It's the MiniVerse Make It Mini Spaces. I have no clue what this is. It's a gift from my daughter, so I'm assuming it's one of these packaging or shelving items. So I'm super excited to be opening this up. It says furniture, so I'm guessing that's what this is. And then we're going to open it up and see how we can use it in our doll spaces. So we have here little tacos. And yes, inside are little taco shells. That's adorable. That's adorable. In here we have some, oh, okay, shredded lettuce. And then this one is shredded cheese. That's awesome. It's, of course, to make the tacos. It's the little dinosaur. Oh my god, that's adorable. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, that is adorable. Looked at the collector's guide because I'm kind of like blindly opening these things without knowing what's inside. Whoops. Oh, this must be the furniture piece that we have to assemble. I'm gonna have to assemble this off camera because I really don't have time to assemble everything. I need to get ready to head back out. My husband and I running some errands today, and I have about maybe 20 minutes left of time. In here we have, let's take this out of the way. And then I believe this is the collector's guide, so we're gonna just thumb through it really quickly. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a recipe card. That is cool. And then here goes more of the furniture pieces. So if you guys want to see me assemble these items, or if you want to see them already assembled, you can definitely head on over to my Instagram or my TikTok, which is also by the same name handle, Dollhaus Diaries, except there's an extra S at the end, so it'll be Dollhaus Diaries, all one word with an extra S. So I'll put it in the description box below, and I'll also put it on the screen here somewhere so you can read it. But yeah, if you want to follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you could definitely head on over to one of those places. I share some of the behind the scenes stuff there, videos, stop motion and whatnot, if you want to check those out. Oh, the taco beef. Some more of the furniture. This kind of looks like a flat screen TV. Oh, more of the shelving for the appliance or the furniture. Then of course this item here, if you take it out of its form. It shows you the little instructions, and I'm assuming how to use this. Cut this out and use it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please make sure to leave me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so yet, please make sure to subscribe and also click the notification bell so you'll be notified of when I post future videos. And if you get a chance to, definitely leave a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on a future video, and I'll do everything I can to make it happen. Until next time, guys, I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.